Step 1, first impression. What jumps out at you? Fast, slow, ugly, normal, STEMI coming through. Check the traces clean, paper speed set right. Calibration spike, name, date, time and site. AVR should be negative, rhythm makes sense with rate. Regular 3 or 1500. If you choose irregular R-waves, times 6 keeps the numbers true. R-wave progression small to big across the chest. Anything concerning now? Flag it before the rest. Step 2, find your P waves upright, all the same. 1P to every QRS, or something else the game. PR long or short, constant every time. Q waves normal or pathological sign. QRS normal, QT Hoff, RR line, ST and T waves flag now. Interpretation comes in time. Step 3, wide QRS, stop and slow your pace. Think bundle, branch, hyper K, pathways in the trace. Step 4, chamber size, voltage is too tall. Atrial or ventricular hypertrophy on the call. Step 5, check the axis left or right or normal flow. Vector shifts explain what the muscle doesn't show. Step 6, ischemia, injury, infarct time. SD criteria applied now, rule mimics before the line. 6 steps done, say it clear. Don't rush or stall, name, rhythm, add findings, that's the ECG call.